If, like me, you've left things to the last minute and are looking for gifts for the van person in your life, here's our rundown of ideas that are available for delivery before Christmas, if you order quickly. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing. For less than £10, this is our go-to portable fire pit. Packing up small, giving great airflow and protecting the ground, it's very hard to beat and even includes a carry bag. We've done a full review of this gas leak detector up here. It's a great tool to have and anyone using LPG will find it useful, and it's only £24. Staying in the area of safety, a fire extinguisher is a must, but deciding which one to have is a hard choice. We went with this Fire XO 2kg, which is certified for all fire types and is less than £40. These USB rechargeable hair straighteners have been great for that off-grid hair emergency and are only £25. If you're looking for something different and unique, check out our own VanLife shop, where you can get personalised t-shirts and laser engraved gifts starting at under £4. A good multimeter is an essential piece of kit for van building or fault finding when on the road. You'll have seen our clamp meter, which we really find useful in lots of our videos. Here is the latest version for just £45. The gift of peace of mind possibly can't be beaten, and our car lock tracker definitely gives us this. You can check out our full review in the link here, and there are discount codes in the video description. Of all the inverters we've used, this is the one that we found the most useful, providing a pure sine wave with continuous 1000 watts and peak 2000 watt rating. We only use it for occasional use, but if you're looking for the same, we would recommend it from our experience, and it's less than £100. We're now going to step over the £100 mark with the Autovox Solar 4 rear view camera system. Again, you can check out our full review on this, but in our experience, for a wireless and easy to install camera system, this one can't be beaten, and we've got a discount code in the video description. And finally, our most expensive gift choice, starting from £540. The Roma lithium iron phosphate leisure battery range has been a game changer for us, taking all the worries out of being off-grid. It's possibly made the biggest improvement we've seen in our van since we got it, enabling us to spend more time off-grid and use more of our mains equipment as if we were plugged in. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.